Grand Rising family, Grand Rising. Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, the owner of HogOn Welding and the founder of HogOn University, checking in. Wanted to give you some updates about welding at the Goodwill Academy in Little Rock, Arkansas. I am the new welding instructor, and I just wanted to give you some updates on the program, some things you can look into to see if this is a good fit for you or to tell someone else about the program. The main thing is I feel like we should take advantage of the opportunity of bringing awareness to the program. It's a second chance program and a prison reform. And to me personally, those two things are great because it's a lot of people that need the second chance and prison reform. And also being in in certain rural areas, people think they don't have the opportunity to get the education they need, to get the jobs and employment they need. So it's more than welding going on there, but it's a lot of people who want to get into the welding because they know they can make better money learning how to weld. And there's many aspects to welding, so you don't have to just do one thing. You can actually learn a few different things in the field that can make you a great welder. So let me tell you about a few things about this program briefly. This Rising, one thing is a 16-week course. In this 16-week course, family, you're going to get your OSHA 10, so that way you can be job site safety if you're in the field or the shop. And that's a plus because a lot of companies want you to know some safety. You want you to be safety orientated. And then once you get that, you start learning the introduction to welding. You're going to start inside of the shop, inside of the classroom and the shop both times. So normally we're going to do, starting out, you'll do probably half the day inside the classroom, and then we'll jump into the shop the rest of the day, getting started for probably the first few weeks to get you tuned in with certain material that you need to have. And then we're going to do a lot of hands-on because in order for you to really be a good welder, you have to practice. Practice makes perfect always. So it'd be people that have started out rough. Over time, they get better once they learn the angles and the degrees and how to hold the gun or the rod. You get better over time. So learning how to physically be involved with the welding is a plus. So that what makes the school different because it's not all about the book. The book is there. We're going to teach the book. We're going to have everything there. But we're not going to do verbatim, line for line, and send you through 16 weeks and you do 4 weeks of reading a book and 2 weeks of welding. Nah, we want you to at least have the equal amount. We want to give you the hands-on experience. We want to give you the information available so that way you can be able to learn on your time, on your leisure time, and inside the classroom setting. But you need to have that own hands because that's what's really going to get you the job, fam. So we really want to help people get employment. So we're going to be able to kill 7 birds with one stone when it comes to that. Some people ask me, what's the difference of taking this than going to the local college? And that's what it is. A lot of college programs is going to send you through, you go there for 2 years and you might weld 6 months out of 2 years or 3. You know what I'm saying? So it all depends on what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to gain some employment to get the skills, you want to get some hands-on. So they teach flux core and stick welding. The goal is to teach you those to get certified in 2 positions, vertical and overhead. Those are the 2 ones that really get you money. But we're going to teach you how to weld in 4 positions: flat, vertical, overhead, and horizontal. So you're going to learn how to weld in all positions, but we're actually going to test you in 2 of those: vertical and overhead, in the flux core and in the stick. A lot of the tests that will be sent off is going to be standard tests, so there will be backing strips on the test, and you know what I mean. It's nothing you have to preheat or nothing like that. So a few people ask me that they're going to be the basic tests, the basic standards for AWS D1.1 test for flux core and stick welding test. Now, I do want to say this. Some people ask about different types of certifications. Now, with this certification, if you pass, the certs go in your pocket, they go with you. If you fail, then you have to pay for the test yourself out of pocket to take it again. You still can take it again, but you will have to pay for it. So I do want to say that. So the goal is if you go through the program to help you pass the test. So in this time frame, my goal is to get you equipped and ready to pass the test. So you can go in that booth with confidence. You can pass with this 7018. You can be able to pass with a using this flux core wire, and then you can be able to get the job and get the employment. The goal is to let many people know about what we're doing, and I think that's the best way to do it, is to get the hands-on experience. So that's why we're going to teach you what's in the book, and we're going to jump in the shop and get our hands dirty, fam. We got to get our hands dirty. So I want to do, the seesaw type effect. We're going to go back and forth. We're going to get the things that we know we need. We need the terms, the lingo. We need to know how to do certain things that's going to be required, and then we need to know how to do it. Because I'm going to tell you something, family, just to be realistic with you. I've been welding for over 20 years now. No one have ever asked me when I go there, hey, let me see that paper. You got this job. Let me see your certs. Nope. You know the first thing they say? Hey, go in that booth and let me see what you got. I said, man, I've been certified so-and-so. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Go in and let me see what you got. It's all based on your skill set, fam. It's all based on what you got, fam. So I just wanted to say this. Everything is based on your skill set. It's all based on your skill set. So take advantage of the opportunities. If you are in the area, local Little Rock area, if you're surrounded area, you can drive in from Pine Bluff, Southeast Arkansas, Central, wherever you at, Northeast, Northwest. If you can get down, they're actually working on a program too in the Northwest area. They're gonna be opening up one next year, I believe. We're gonna have the same type of structure, but they got it right now. Little Rock is the home base. So just wanted to say, for those who want the teaching, I'm in the area. I'm gonna be teaching hands-on, giving you everything you need. Like I said, the goal is to help find out what's needed in the city too. So that way we can find out if you're trying to be a fabricator, if you want to travel well. We try to find out what's going on, if those who want to stay in the city, see what the specs is for certain companies. That way we can get the people ready for that type of job, ready for that type of employment. So the goal is to kill 7 birds with 1 stone, fam. We want to teach you the lingo. We want to give you the book knowledge, but we also want to get you hands-on. We want to get you to knowing, how to join the metal. What it looks like if you're going wrong, what it looks like if you're running out of gas, when to stop, what to listen for, things like that, what to pay attention to. So just wanted to say, check out the program. I think this program is going to be awesome to anyone that gets involved. Right now we got 4 students. They're about to graduate here in a few weeks, and then we got a new class coming up. In the new class, we got 5 students. The goal is we do evening classes, morning classes and evening classes for those who have jobs. We try to work around your schedule. The classes can be 3 to 4 hours a day, so it all depends on the individual. Let us know. They tend to be very easy to work with as far as helping people work with their jobs, and depends on what you're doing. So just wanted to say, and also check this out. If you don't have a vehicle and things get rough on you, you can catch a bus. They have a bus that comes directly in front of the Goodwill Industries. It parks right there in the front, so the bus stop is right there. So wherever you at in the city in Little Rock, you can catch a bus right there in front of it to go straight to school, and catch a bus to get right back to where you're going. So keep that in mind, fam. So continue to get your hog on. I just want to give you some live updates and say I'm a new welding instructor to the area. If you know someone, share it with a friend. Tell them to check out the Goodwill Industries in Little Rock, Arkansas, off of Hamilton Road. Salute, salute. Fam, thanks for checking in. Yes, 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 yes. I'm having coffee this rising. Just wanted to check in briefly, go over some input about the Goodwill Industries, let people know in the local area what's going on. That's a lot of great opportunities, fam. So take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. Like I say, I really think that this program is going to be life-changing, not only because of the way they give it and the way it's set up, which is, to me, the structure of it is set up nice, and they're actually building on to make it better. But then you got me, fam. It's always good to have a teacher or someone that's passionate about what they're doing, because they're going to always give the students extra. I have even noticed it in the public schools how certain teachers that don't really want to be there, or they don't have a lot of time for some of the students with the special needs. They just kind of want to push them over to the side. But if you're passionate about what you do, you want to make sure all the students are winning. So that's how I am, fam. I really enjoy doing what I'm doing, and I want to help people win. Like, I want to see you get this employment, change your life, travel, see different things, get some financial wealth, start doing something different. And then also it's building me at the same time, because as each one teach one, as I teach someone, it helps me too. So it's like a lot of things we got to repeat. Certain knowledge got to be passed down from generation to generation, so we can remember how to keep getting our hog on. Y'all be blessed, fam. I'm out.